Imagine a low, vibrating hum, so deep you feel it inside your skull, so constant you can't sleep, a sound that follows you everywhere, but only you can hear it. This is the mystery of the Taos Hum. In the small town of Taos, New Mexico, locals began reporting a strange sound in the early 1990s. Not loud, not sharp, just a deep, mechanical humming, like an engine running underground. But here's the strange part. Only about 2% of people in the town could hear it. Scientists from Los Alamos National Laboratory, the University of New Mexico, and even the US government arrived. They tested soil vibrations, radio frequencies, power lines, military activity. Nothing matched the hum. No source, no origin, no explanation. Some believe it's low-frequency waves from secret military experiments. Earth crust movements beneath New Mexico, a psychological phenomenon shared by a few sensitive people, or something, not from this world. But here's what makes it terrifying. Recordings don't pick it up. Microphones hear nothing, only human ears. The Taos Hum still follows people today. Some move away. Some say it drives them mad. And others believe, once you hear it, you never unhear it. Would you want to hear the hum